Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, LED headlights, traction control, stability control, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.